USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll discuss USD against Japanese yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video, you'll find some links which says trade like institution. So if you want to make, let's say, 300 pips in one trade with time, with patience, then go and check out the first link. If you want to talk to me, then you can book consultation and check the brokers on this link. And the third link is absolutely free to join. Go and join my Telegram absolutely for free. Coming back to the chart, starting the top line approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is this. Okay, you can see. So this is weekly. All right. And then this is daily. There you go. This is daily. And this is 4 hour. So what we're going to do? We're going to look for longs after each pullback. That's USDJPY for you. Why longs? Why not longs? Why not shorts? This and that. I will not explain. If you want to know why am I saying what I'm saying, then go and join the mentorship program. Otherwise, I'm telling you USDJPY longs. Okay? Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.